Hello, this is Jafari from 8skies Consulting. This is the second lesson of non-inventory items. So we're going to continue with our non-inventory item part. So the question is, how do we add non-inventory items in this accounting system? So to add non-inventory items, we're going to use one of the accounting system features aligning on the left hand side of this accounting system. You simply scroll down to the bottom, then you'll find somewhere written settings here. You click on settings and then you'll be able to see non-inventory item a button here. So you click at the non-inventory item. So these are non-inventory items which were created in the previous lesson. So to add another non-inventory item, you click on a new non-inventory item. Remember, all those expenses you are paying for, but you are not receiving something tangible in return. You are not receiving something you can touch, something you can count, or something which stays in store. Those qualifies to be called non-inventory items. So things like rent, rent qualifies to be called non-inventory item. Then you must channel it to a specific account. So we take this item can be purchased because we are not the one receiving rent, but we are the one paying rent. So we are channeling it to our rent account. So I go ahead and I create that one. Going back to our model question, we have bank charges. Of course, bank charge, we are charged for the services which are provided by the bank. Which services? Bank is managing our bank account. They are also enhancing our transactions. So those services are not for free. They're charging us bank charges. So this item can be purchased and then we pick bank charges. We create it. We go ahead and add also accounting and audit fee. Yes, auditors are coming to the office. They perform their audit procedures and we are paying them. So in return, we are not receiving anything tangible. We are not receiving anything we can touch. We are not receiving anything we can put in store. So we channel that one to accounting and auditing fee. One key point to remember here is whenever you are creating non-inventory item, you must channel it to a certain account. So it is not possible to create non-inventory item if you don't have an account to channel. So you must start to do your work on the chart of accounts first. You can go back to our previous lessons to see how to customize your chart of accounts. So we can create it. Another non-inventory item is spare part. Now it might seem to be a bit confusing. Of course, the spare parts are tangible, but we have no intention to buy any spare part and put it in stock or put it in store. When we buy a spare part and it goes to a motor vehicle directly. So this goes to spare part as well. Yes, other non-inventory items are not listed here in this question, but you can add as many non-inventory items as you can depending on the nature of your business. For example, myself here, I'm going to add SDL. I'm going to add SDL, which stands for Skills Development Levy. This item can be purchased. This goes to SDL, expense. So I create it. So you can see now we have these non-inventory items. When we are paying for these services, we don't receive anything tangible. We're not receiving anything we can touch or we can put in store. That's why we are calling them as non-inventory items. Thank you for watching.